Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It Y'all? And today, this is just an introduction video because we want to start a new journey with you guys. We have looked on the internet for a while now and we see a ton of canning videos to show you how to can and preserve all the products that we grow or that you get at the farmer's market in bulk. And what we've realized is I can't find anything where it shows like just specific meals that you would use your canning products in. So what Greg and I have decided what we're going to do, and we've got several episodes planned for you. We've called this journey the Quick Canning Cuisine. So we are going to come up with some shows. We don't know if we're going to either do like a Saturday or do them on Thursdays, but what we're going to focus on is using our canned goods that we've shown you that how we've canned or we've preserved. And we're gonna do short recipes to show you how we use them. And the goal is to film them in real time. We'll see if that works. And show you that, you know, the work that we put in with all these canned goods, it really does make it easier in the long run and kind of give you a gauge of, you know how Rachel Ray used to do the 30-minute meals. And I've looked online and 30-minute meal this, 30-minute meal that, but what I want to focus on is using all the products that we have canned and put in our pantries to work through. So this is going to be called Quick Canning Cuisine. We're going to focus on using our own canned food, and we're going to take you through some recipes to show you how we actually go through all that stuff. So hopefully that will be interesting and fun. Give us some feedback when it comes out. If you have ideas of what you want to see, put them in the comment section below, and hopefully we can come up with some really cool recipes so you can use all that ugly chicken on your shelf, or we can show you how to use that chicken soup base. So, all right. We'll see how this goes. I'm kind of excited about it. We've got some really cool recipes that we want to show you. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.